Thanks to their excellent technical properties, COVERLAM slabs can be installed in a variety of indoor and outdoor locations, but their large size and thinness means they need to be handled more carefully. For large formats, COVERLAM comes in stackable wooden crates. The 1,600 by 3,200 mm format comes on A-frames, and the rest of the formats are packed in cardboard boxes placed on suitably sized pallets. To lift and move trays of slabs, forklift trucks or construction cranes must be used. Lifting the trays in the middle of the long side with forks at least 1.20 meters long and as wide apart as possible. When lifting the trays on their short side, forks must be a minimum length of 2.5 meters. You should always maintain the right posture when working, making sure not to put too much strain on your lower back, and wear gloves for better grip and to prevent burns and cuts. In its large formats, COVERLAM can be easily handled by 2 people, lifting the slab on the long side and placing it vertically. When moving the slab, hold it near the top, keeping it straight and protecting the corners from accidental knocks. To facilitate the handling of the slabs, the use of specific tools such as suction cups is recommended. COVERLAM can be easily cut and drilled with the help of diamond tools used for working with glass and porcelain stoneware, either dry or with water. First of all, it is important to plan out joints to avoid cutting narrow strips or L or U shapes, as this weakens the tile and over time can lead to breaks. Before starting, make sure that the slab is supported all over, that it doesn't bend on the workbench, that the work surface is clean and flat, and that you have all the tools needed to make the appropriate cut. The 3.5 mm and 5.6 mm thick slabs can be easily cut using a scoring wheel for porcelain and sliding it with even pressure across the surface of the slab from one end to the other without stopping. Then, apply gentle pressure on either side of the incision to break into 2 pieces, and cut through the fiberglass mesh using a utility knife. Standard porcelain stoneware cutters or electric circular saws can also be used. To cut square holes for junction boxes or electrical sockets, you should first use a drill to make holes at the corners of the shape to be cut. Then, you should use an electric tile cutter with a continuous rim diamond blade. Never make square holes through the underside of the tiles or go past the edges of the hole with the electric cutter. For holes bigger than 10 mm in diameter, use a hole saw. Start drilling with the tool at a slight angle to the tile. These tools can be used either wet or dry. In addition, COVERLAM allows multiple holes to be made in the same piece. To ensure a good finish and prevent sharp edges, it is important to finish them off with an abrasive sander. For more detailed information, we recommend you check our installation manual available on the Grispania website.